Kenya gi Afrika mangima. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto olero mae ka opuoyo jolweny ma pacho ka kuom chiwruok makende. Ruto bende osingo sir ne jolweny mar neno ni gitimo tijegi e yonero ma owinjore. Jatend piny ne loso e kinde mane odhialo nyasi maringo odiochieng' jolweny Laikipia. Wenga miyo mathoth.
Mar jolweny mananyuki manie kaunti ma Laikipia. Jolweny ma pacho ka ne dhialo e odiochieng' margi. Ne gigoyo turbim e okange magisego ka achiel kod midhiero magikaloe seche magirito piny Kenya.
Our territorial integrity relies on our defense forces, and its members must therefore always be prepared for every exigency with the requisite tools, capabilities, and motivation. The tip of the nation's spear has always been and will always remain our troops, be they on land, in air, or at sea.
Jatend piny William Ruto mabende en komanda maduong' mar jolweny ne odhialo nyasi ni.
Our forces continue to be called upon by the African Union and United Nations to augment peace support operations in Africa and beyond. And I have had a conversation with the leadership of our KDF to expand our efforts in peace keeping across the globe.
Ruto ne opuoyo jolweny kuom chiwruok magiketo e rito piny Kenya kata kobedo ni tijgi keto ngimagi kuma rach kinde ka kinde.
And the government commitments in this regard will remain paramount, and we will continue to invest in our men and women in uniform through the provision of training and education, complemented by the acquisition of relevant weapon systems, equipment, and guaranteeing access to medical care that is holistic, that is reliable, and effective. The KDF must remain thoroughly professional in order to secure the nation against all threats.
Jatend jolweny General Robert Kibochi bende nosingo ni lange oikore makare mar kedo gi jonjore e kinde obadho mamoko e thuruka.
It is this affirming and nurturing network of loved ones which again become primary caregivers to those of our personnel who may, unfortunately, suffer critical war trauma, whether physiological or psychological, and their support is vital for healing and strength. We do not take this outstanding form of selfless national service for granted. And on behalf of a grateful nation, I appreciate you and I thank you.
We commit to serve under your command with dedication and fidelity in the fulfillment of the KDF constitutional mandates of defense and protection of Kenya's territorial integrity and sovereignty.
Nyasi mar dhialo odiochieng' jolweny ma thuruka mar 11 notimre kambi jolweny ma Laikipia. Wenga, Ramogi TV.